We're trying our wedding cake flavors.
So
oh
many.
my goodness. There is so many in here. 11 flavors in here.
Caramel.
Yeah, I don't want you stealing all the yummy icing stuff in the middle. Like, got popcorn or something in it? Is that what it is? Caramel popcorn? Vanilla. Could you be the opener? So we need 3 different flavors for our 3 tiers. Do we need water to like swish and...
I don't think so.
You think we're not going to mix flavors too much?
We need chai.
Chai. It reminds me of American Christmas. That's what I imagine American Christmas tastes like. I kind of like it. No. Okay, I thought so far.
This makes it really hard.
I know.
They're all good.
I'm sweaty, like I'm sugar flushing. I really want to try the orange and poppy seed because I feel like it would be a winner.
Very strongly orange. That's
it?
really good. Oh no. It makes it really hard.
Lemon and coconut isn't as good as that. I think that's like our old person flavour. You know what I mean? Like the ones that the oldies would go for. I feel like I need water. I need to cleanse my palate. Do you okay, hazelnut? I'm searching for water like a camel. Like I'm dying of thirst.
What? What on earth just happened?
What is this, shock hazelnut? Ooh.
I feel like we always need to do a part 2. I'm feeling sick.
Do you want some water?
No, what is dangerous?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left.
Oh,
This is like equivalent of a whole like cake, a mini cake.
don't act like we haven't done it before.
We'll do the lemon coconut. It might like soothe it out a bit.
Sure.
We'll be tomorrow by the time you open that. See, this is on par for like an old person flavour.
That one's kind of better than orange.
No. No way, Jose.
I was concerned to see I'm eating cake.
But we have to. Oh, that wins. But children. Raspberry and white shock. Is that what it was? But I'm like, is it only not our favourite because we ate all the other ones before it? I just feel defeated by this cake, don't I? Red velvet.
I accidentally ate it all.
Plain chocolate. The orange, what we see? Caramel and
Chocolate.
chocolate. Really?